Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to guide us and tell us the new announcement by MEMEFI and the things you need to avoid. There are some mistakes you need to avoid so that you won't be a victim. And the first thing is avoid having multiple accounts. Avoid having multiple accounts on one device. So if you are using one phone and you are using two Telegram and you are mining MEMEFI on the two accounts, there is possibility you shoot yourself at the leg. So you need to avoid that. And number two is that be very careful if you are tap screen like this. Be very careful to quickly tap on this energy, like your coin, the coin balance here. That energy was the mistake I did, which I am trying as much as possible to make sure that everyone makes the same mistake. Look at this energy cap. Imagine I have bought about 131 million energy cap and it was a mistake. My initial coin was around 120 something million. I don't know how the thing just came up that I mistakenly used all my coin to get energy cap. So meanwhile, what really matters most is be very careful of all these things. So anything pop up on your screen, make sure to check it very well before you click on OK. So these are the things I want you to put. And don't forget the criteria for this airdrop is your coin balance. Your coin balance, that's one, and your level. And I think they are going to use the referrals too. So and the task, as you can see here, if you click on N, so the task 2 is there's one on N and there is one on the one at the top. So make sure that you complete all tasks every day. So if you are a first timer and you are coming across me for the first time, please like and subscribe, share this video because I'll be dropping more valuable video like this for us every single day. So another thing is, please, you see this pin here to introduce this pin. Make sure that you are making use of all this pin because it also counts for you to qualify for the airdrop. So for this airdrop, for you to be able to get your token, for you to be able to receive your token to cash, you will be needing wallets. You'll be needing Ethereum coin, and it has been stated here inside your wallet. So everybody should have gotten their wallet address by now. Everybody should have gotten their wallet address by now. So it was stated that you will be needing about $2 to be able to claim your coin, to be able to withdraw it. So the announcement for the listing of this coin is on October, early week of October. This MEMEFI coin will be listed, and I want you all to be very careful because be very careful of all the tasks. As you can click on N here, they will tell you that okay, if you want to prove that you are smart with them, like you did not complete the task, they can deduct your coin. And these are the things you need to really avoid at this dead time that you're about to list it. You can do anything for anybody. So make sure you are increasing your level. I'm level 8 now. I'm about to kill this one. So I'll move to level 9 and we will keep going. So the thing is, if you want to know more about this crypto project, how this meme coin work, all about Telegram airdrops, kindly follow me using the link in the description below. You see our Telegram page, our WhatsApp group. You can join as we will be updating us daily on all of this. So MEMEFI is listing October. Get ready, go and get your gas fee ready, and let's cash out on this. Don't relent, don't give up, and make sure that every coin you are mining are the ones that are valued. Not a lot of Web3 games out there and they're not really giving us results. But this MEMEFI, they have made announcements and they are listing. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share this video. It is free of charge. You can share it to let them also learn and also know the things they need to know. And I said earlier that avoid mistakes. You can boost this boost here. So make sure that you use your recharge, your tool, make sure you use your tap boot, use them very well and avoid this energy cap and damage. Once you have increased your level to about level 11 or 12 is okay, and avoid making that kind of mistake that I did. So that is that. So thank you. Don't forget to like. like and subscribe to this video because I will be dropping more video in no time. Thank you so much.